We are Pro-RAM, Constructive Mentality. Shaping the Industrial Future. Visit our website for further information and request quotation. Hello. Thank you for being with us and watching this video. It is part of our series about PolyWorks software. You will learn many practical tips on how to use the software to achieve your goals or, simply, improve your work. We encourage you to like the video and subscribe to our channel to do not miss further useful information. We also invite you to leave your comment about this material. We are open to any suggestions. The content and services we create for you. Fast production control requires immediate feedback. When you need to verify parts directly on the shop floor, results must be clear, fast, and aligned to CAD, without building full feature-based inspections. Then, comparison points and build inspect tools come in. In this example, we work directly with the CAD model. But before any comparison makes sense, correct alignment is critical. Here I use 3 reference planes as base alignment objects to align the measured part to the CAD model. We start by aligning the measured part to CAD using reference geometry. This gives us a stable and repeatable alignment between the physical part and the nominal CAD model. Once the alignment is verified, we enable surface comparison points. From the Home tab, I activate the Comparison Points tool. Now directly on the CAD model, I click where I want comparison points to be evaluated. For each point, I define the maximum search area. This controls where PolyWorks looks for the measured surface relative to CAD. Only after that we measure. Using a tactile arm or an SMR probe on a laser tracker, I probe the surface on the real part. Each measured point is automatically matched to its corresponding CAD comparison point, and the deviation is calculated immediately. Now let's move to Build Inspect. This tool allows us to evaluate deviations live, during measurement. I right-click directly on the CAD model and choose Build Inspect. Each time I take a measurement point, the deviation to CAD appears instantly. The comparison point is created automatically, without any additional setup. This makes it ideal for quick checks, production monitoring, or in-process inspection. There's no need to define full features or tolerances. You measure and you see the deviation right away. Surface comparison points combined with Build Inspect provide a fast, flexible way to control production directly against CAD. Minimal setup, immediate feedback, clear decisions. This is exactly how PolyWorks Inspector supports rapid production control, when speed and clarity matter more than anything else. Thank you for watching. We encourage you to visit our website and read more about us.